Here's a quick 1 minute video on how I use both the 5 minute range and pre-market lows to short stocks. This is Coinbase, Global, whatever it is. I was shorting this today right out of the gate as soon as it took out this pre-market low. What I was looking at the beginning of the day was this first 5 minute candle. Because it was trading below that 200-day simple moving average and it was below the VWAP, what I was looking at was this rally, waiting for the rally to snap, come back against, and start to pull back into the lows. Is exactly what happened. I got in a little bit late. I should have been taking a short position right off of this reversal below the 200-day simple moving average on a shorter time frame. Fact of the matter is, back on the 5 minute, what I was doing here was I was actually shorting the retest of the lows breaking down, and that support level snap got a really nice quick move to the downside. And on this one, this was a put play that I gained 18% on. We also look at GME, and GME, same thing. I got out of this a bit early though. Here is the pre-market low. There is that opening range right through there, the first 5 minute candle. I wasn't looking for anything other than the low to get taken out. 200-day simple moving average, there was a rally right into it. Price action started to step down, gave us this 3-bar candlestick reversal, taking out that pre-market low. And as soon as it started to flush, I got short this thing. I was buying $98 puts. They were weeklies. Paid $8.70 for them, sold them at $10.05, and I saw a 21% gain on this particular stock. Now, where I was covering was this low back through here. So this was my target to get out of the trade. And you can see that price action came in, broke down, rallied in. I was out. After I was out, this thing did take another step down lower, left a little bit on the table. But you know what? Not a bad way to start the week. Scalp GME and COIN using the short setup and the short strategy that we use.